much more active this year, but we have been having so much snow, like I couldn't go out and make content, and I couldn't like do get readies with me because I wasn't even going anywhere. But today I'm gonna be going to New Year's event. You guys watched like my makeup tutorial. I didn't have a primer, but I'm gonna try this one. This is like all the makeup I use, so the ones that I buy and don't like, I just put in like my closet. So I found this, so we're gonna try it. I really feel like it'll be good because it's really creamy. So not gonna lie, I stayed up last night. I stayed up till probably almost 3, which is bad. I knew I had to go somewhere and I knew it was in another city, and I still stayed up. I did not want to get up, so I didn't. And now it's been like what, 3 hours since I woke up. I don't really like going out at all, but this was like a good chance to just like film a video and show you guys like my cultures. Oh, look at him sleeping on my clothes. I really hope like I can make a video out of this, because a lot of times I do actually make videos and then I never like finish editing them, or I like forget to record while doing the activity. I need to lock in. So right here my like makeup is kind of peeling, so I don't know if that's like just from the primer or like the primer mixed in with all my other stuff. Halfway through this year I'm gonna have to like do a restocking my makeup video, because I've been doing my makeup almost every day. Christmas break, bro, I did so much stuff the first week. I wish I would have like vlogged or something. Like that's what I be like, I always forget to record my activities. You guys remember my get ready with me for a football game video? You guys know I did the black liner under my eyes, and I was like wanting to do that as a part of my makeup routine like every single day, but I hated having to like take it out because it would like be literally in my eyes. I would have to take it out. I don't want to do it because I don't want to take it off at the end of the day. That's like the worst part about doing makeup. I don't like this lighting right now, but a lot of the times when I like edit in my videos, the lighting I just like am not a big fan of, and then the moment I like transfer it to my computer and start editing, the lighting is so different. Like it looks so much better through my computer than while I'm recording. And like right here, it's like on my cheekbone. I can feel my voice starting to get more raspy as I talk. I don't know if I'm gonna film doing my hair because it takes so long to do my hair. I love making videos and I can't wait to like do a lot of videos because I have so much ideas, but I am gonna be like somewhat not active because my season starts, and just we have so much tournaments, and those tournaments take up all day. Don't know if I'm gonna have time to not only record, but like I have to edit all my videos. That's just a lot of work. I'm so excited because I also do have like a video idea for my season when it starts, so happy about that. I can like finally make that video because I've been waiting to make that video. My new bag is supposed to come I think the 23rd, hopefully. Let me set my face before I put on lip gloss. I sprayed this like crazy. Look at this color and look at my lips color. It's nearly perfect. So I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I have 2 ideas in mind. Those are like dresses, but I'm gonna probably wear like a skirt and a top. This one is red, so if I wear the red outfit, I might wear this because this is like so perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and then come back because it just takes too long and I'm not gonna record all of that. Okay, so this is my hair and makeup all done. I felt like the lighting before, like over there, just wasn't doing any justice. I thought it made my makeup look so weird, and then like it just didn't look right. But anyways, this is just how it looks. Now I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So I'm either gonna wear this one, which I like this like skirt that this one comes with, but I don't like the top really. I like the top, but I don't like the skirt, so it's like a really big problem. I'm just gonna wear the top with it, but leggings under because it's just way too cold now. I'm not a pro at wrapping this. This is the fit. Okay, so am I even like Korean if I don't have my gold on me? This thicker one is just like small on me, so I usually just wear the, oh my gosh, it's tangled with the third one. But this is the one like I mainly wear all the time. You see it on like my Instagram and everything. I always wear it. Put on my ring, this one. So I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear, but I honestly really like how I wrapped this. I feel like it looks really nice. I'm gonna put my shoes, and then I think now we're gonna leave.
Say that God is giving me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way.
Right now they're doing a little dance. I stepped out to use the restroom, but now I'm gonna go back and watch because they said they were doing like this lion dance, which I've never seen before. So
grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See with the top down.
done. It is 4:04 and I'm at 6%, but we're gonna be going home. I'll wrap my whole video up after that.
Say that God is giving me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me.
Okay, so ignore my hair. I just got home a couple hours ago. I already did start editing a little bit of my video, but before I go ahead and go to the bathroom, take off my makeup and like get ready for bed, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I feel like I'm getting more interactive through my videos and more people are getting interactive with me as I post more videos. But that's all for my video, and if you don't know anything about my culture, I hope you guys like really liked it. I really liked how they incorporated other Asian cultures. But anyways, that's all for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching.